In this video, I'll show you how to increase RAM or memory in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. After open the settings app, just scroll all the way down. Then go to device care option. After that, go to memory option. Give it a moment. And then scroll down again. Then go to RAM plus option. Just tap here to enable it. And you can see three options: 2GB, 4GB and 6GB. Choose any option. If I select 6GB and then tap on OK, now the phone will take restart. So just tap on restart. You can see the phone is taking restart. So just give it a moment. After taking the restart, 6GB RAM will be selected in your phone. And the restart is complete. Now just go to same settings again. Scroll down, go to RAM plus, and that's it. You can see RAM or memory has been increased successfully and it's 6GB now. And that is how you can increase RAM or memory in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.